Why is it dying already? Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kaylea, and it's me pushing my nose for me. It tickles. Every time I do my makeup, it tickles. But today we're gonna be doing an eyelash tutorial. These are the ones I got from Amazon, but this is not the packaging that it came in. This is an old case. I just put it in there. This is the whole pack it came in. But let's just try to get this over it before the camera dies. Ugh. Right eye, left eye, right eye, left eye. I got this glue from the beauty supply store, and I put it on my lash before I put the lashes on, so that the glue was where I want it to be and where I want the lash to sit. So here we're gonna line it. I kind of need to get closer. I'm gonna turn it so y'all can see it properly. So it died or whatever. As usual. I don't even think I charged it since last time. That makes so much sense. Drying right now. Don't look at my bed, please. Let's take the right one. I use this thingy to put it on. I put it through the middle, and now I press the inner corner in first and then pull it the rest to where it needs to be lined up. See the lines? The glue is very strong though. And then like, pinch it so it looks like it's on properly-ish. Oh my goodness, help. Help, police. Let's try the next one. Let it dry. Next lash, and I don't know if they like these lashes, bro. I don't know if I like them. This glue sticks on better than the white one, and it looks better because when it dries white it looks dumb, but when the white one gets clear it still looks weird. Oh, I look like I'm dying. Anyways, they're okay. They look very thick. I don't know.
That's it for the video. I forgot to do my outro, but I hope this was as detailed as possible and you guys were able to catch on. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell movement.